This is Erin Tracy with Empower Wellness, and I am at one of my favorite places, the J.C. Ralston Arboretum. And I wanted to let you know that I might have something for you if you are someone that suffers from chronic pain or have a constant state of overwhelm, and you wonder that if it might be contributing to not feeling so great in your body. If you just feel like things are sort of on fire all the time and that your body and your mind and your spirit doesn't really know how to calm down anymore, and you're concerned that this may be impacting your health, or maybe you already know that it is. So I'm offering a workshop. It's at my office in Raleigh off of Glenwood Avenue, just inside the Beltline, and I would really like you to come. And maybe bring a friend if you think you know someone that this might speak to, someone who's interested in regaining some of their energy and accessing well-being through having less pain, less suffering that they have around having a chronic condition. So in this night, we will, even though the workshop is free, I intend for it to be very valuable and for you to leave that night with things that can start to make a difference in your life right then. So I really hope that you'll come and that you'll RSVP by signing up through my website, and there'll be a link below this video. We do have limited space, so please take some time and share this with a friend and sign up so that you can have a seat. And if you bring a friend, you and your friend will get a special small gift at the end of the evening, or maybe at the beginning of the evening. I don't know yet. Come, it'll be a surprise. So I look forward to having you. I really love sharing this information. As you know, this work that I do has changed my life, saved my life probably, and I love sharing with people. It brings me great joy to see the transformations starting to occur in other people, and to see them last and hold on too. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you for sharing this video and this information with others who might benefit. Have a good afternoon.